Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the further video model. In this video, we're gonna make this quad bike and these video tasks we are gonna cover in this video. So without wasting our time, let's get to it. First of all, our task is to arranging the reference images. We can also call that blueprint. Okay. First from the top view and then from the side view and then front and back. Set the opacity as you like and set it as it fits you, and add a plane and add a lattice to add grid to it, some grid to it. Then we get the idea how and where our vertices will be. It will be in the start, and then we'll do that after we delete the lattice after we set something. Okay, our plane has much loop cut and shape to match the shape of our quad bike. Okay, first of all, add a plane with mirror modifier and then add much loop cut, 3 to 4 basic loop cut, and then extrude and place the vertices according the shape of in the reference, and then firstly place the vertices roughly and make a rough shape out of it. Placing vertices is important in the start, then we can set the shape after we're done from the top. And then move the plane up and place it from all sides correctly. Move some vertices down and place them correctly. Place vertices one by one until you see something good, and make a rough shape out of it. Okay, first set from front and from the back, then to the top. Just like this, look from all side views, and then see if our shape is looking good. Move these vertices from the wheel cover, mud guard, and then place them correctly. We can move the vertices around and set the shape according to the reference, and then extrude them after we're done placing them. Okay, this is looking much better and the result is looking much nicer to me and from now. Okay, now we have a simple basic shape of our quad bike. Then extrude from the side and through the vertices and delete some areas, and move the loop from the side view and from the front view, and make the whole body cover from the bottom like this. Okay, then extrude it from the back, then move these vertices and make them a separate object. Now move this loop right here and place them like here, and set the front by clicking some vertices like this. Now make the front mud guard and make it a separate object, and join the first and front and back mud guard from the side. Okay. Now extrude it and then place it roughly, and then extrude it, give it some softness. First join them both and then give it some softness by extruding Alt F, and then if you see something nice, then we can move on to the body to make it. Okay, we can add much loop cut, but remember to keep it a less low poly, and then we can texture it to keep it high poly. Okay, then extrude the middle inward part and then fill them one by one. Add much loop cut and move the loops around and fill them one by one, just like this. Fill these loops right here, and from the front view, set the loop and then scale them, keep them equal, just like this. This is looking much better. Now our quad bike is almost looking great. Now do the same thing to the back and then fill the loop from the back as well. Okay, now move his faces backward so we get the full body. And then tweak some areas for more better result. Add much loop and use the knife tool if necessary. Just like this, now our quad bike is almost in the modeling finishing. Okay, then set the mud guard, tweak some areas. Okay, set the shape what fits you, and then now don't duplicate it with capital object, or we can extrude it one and make it a shape object like this, and scale it, and don't extrude it much far from the car body. No, far body. Okay, now leave some white space from the front and duplicate this space and keep it a capital object. We're gonna make it a handle part with the handle is to the body, car body. Okay, now make it like this and then add a circle. Okay, we don't need a circle. Now duplicate this space, scale it, extrude it and relax it like this. Make a rough relaxed shape and then make a circle right here and then extrude. We can add more details but it's not necessary. And it also doesn't look good. So add a vertical and scale it like this and place it, shape it with depth. Now give some depth, keep it artificial and keep the depth as you like. So we don't need the handle from the vertical. Now here modify it and rotate it from the top like this. Now we have a nicer looking handle. Now take this S and duplicate it, move it up and then extrude the vertices and fill it, insert it and make the handle of the upper quad bike. With that, scale it up and then scale it down, then we extrude it. Remove these vertices and set them like this. Okay. Now let's tweak some areas. Okay. Now delete these space and give some solidness by extruding it and then rotate it like this. Now convert the barrier curve mesh and then extrude it, make the handle from it just like this. Focus it by slash and then make the handle out of it like this. It gives a nice handle effect. So shade auto tone and then we can send every loop to circle and we can make it handle like this, but it's not a good way. So mark the area and then shade auto tone or shade tone, whatever it is. And now we add three objects in the middle, move the middle a little, make that effect. And then this is good and now mirror it again. Now join it to the handle part. Okay, now our quad bike is half complete, half model, and then add a cylinder or circle we can add. But first we need to make the main frame of our quad bike. Extrude the vertices and give it some subdivision, mirror, and skin modifier. That's the main thing the skin modifier will do for our quad bike. Then extrude the vertices and save them one by one and make the rough shape of the wireframe. We can say the wireframe of our quad bike. Make a rough shape out of it and tweak some vertices from all sides and make the shape look good. Okay, only thing we need to fix is to set from the front and from the back. Side view will get a little bit of adjustment. Okay, start from every angle and then see if our skin modifier mesh fits correctly and then make the step wireframe step list where all characters will be stepped. We'll place the key on it. Okay, now make the shape like this and then Control K and scale it just like that. Okay, set every vertices closely and equally from all sides. If it looks good, then we can move on to the next detailing. Now our quad bike frame is looking much better. Now extrude to the front and make the simple guard from the front. And move the vertices closer to the center and then fill them just like this. This looks a lot better, so delete all the inward faces if you have any, and then Control K, give it some thickness like this. Now extrude these faces to the side like this and then save your work. Save your work the thing you are making and anything you make. Save everything as you make something and now add a circle on the 10 segments and then extrude it to the side, add a mirror modifier and apply the rotation if you get the mirror problem, or add the mirror modifier manually and then fill it and add another circle 12 to 14 segments to make the tire. Then extrude it left and extrude it one to right. Scale them and bevel them like this. Now insert it and make the head like this. Okay, now make the wheel just like this and bevel it. Make the board from it, extrude it inward. Now we have a nicer looking tire. Now create some vertices from the inside and just mirror it to the front and to the other side and to the back. Now we have done, so we need something to try to be stick with the quad body. Okay, now extrude the vertex from the modify the frame and then place them next to the cylinder in the middle of the quad. Okay, this is looking much better. Now duplicate the face from the body to make the cylinder. Now make it circle, remove the mirror modifier from it and then keep it only one. Okay, nice, this is good. Now extrude, insert it just a little and rotate it from the back. Nice. Now we have a cylinder looking good and almost everything is looking better. Only thing we are missing is the headlight. Yes, headlight. Now tweak some vertices around and then join some vertices to separate. If there is something, insert this and make the tank for this quad. Apply the mill or turn the mesh on. Okay. Now join the vertices areas with the same modifier. Same object with the same modifier. Now delete the half of the connector and join it to the main body. Okay, now main thing is to merge the distance. If any overlapping vertices, then they are merged the distance. Okay, now split some areas and then add a shader editor. We're gonna add the mid texture. Even this one I choose, then UV, Smart UV project, and then select UV from the image editor, UV editor, and then select UV, place it correctly where it looks good. And now this looks much better. It may be a little pixelated, but it gives a nice result. And now select the center part and then move them to the right place like this, and select the another part also, and then add another image texture and select the color palette to the tile and then apply the skin modifier to the frame and join these to the main body. Okay, and select the selector and join it to the body and give a skin color palette texture to the tie and select the tie rod and join it to the body as well. And remove the color palette material from the firing bar and then select the tie, select it, move it to the black part, black color, and then select the rim bar to the light gray color and duplicate the tie rods and duplicate the tires to the back, and now we're almost done. Okay, this looks a lot better. And now select the seat part and color it black. Select the UV from in the image editor and select the UV in the correct place. Now select everything and apply all the modifiers, apply the position and scale of everything, and then select add a plane and set some render settings and render it to the final result. Select some areas with the sharp edges and mark sharpness and shade smooth like this, and then after we done everything, insert the final result in the last. Then see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.